Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see addition and subtraction word problem for year 4 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. I'm going to solve this question with CBSE and IGCSE, both the methods. So please continue watching my video. Let's get started. Addition and subtraction. Ravi has 450 game cards. Ethan has 128 game cards, fewer than Ravi. How many game cards must Ravi give it to Ethan so that Ethan will have 298 game cards more than he? I am going to first solve this question with the box method. Ravi has 450 game cards. So I made one box and I'll put inside it 450 game cards. Ethan has 128 game cards, fewer than Ravi. So I made for Ethan some smaller box and the rest of the part is 128 game cards. Can I calculate that how many game cards does Ethan have? So to calculate this, I need to subtract 450 minus 128. So I need to subtract it. Let's subtract it with the Singapore method here. So I have written 450 and 128. I need to subtract it. 0 minus 8. Can you subtract it? No, right? So I need to take the carryover here. You have to take the carryover from 5. Let's cancel this out and it will be 4 here. As this is at the tens place, that means you are carrying 10 here. This shows you that the number will be on the ones place, it will be 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. 10 minus 8, 2 here. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. So Ethan has 322 game cards. Let's write down here, Ethan has 322 game cards. After that, they are saying how many game cards must Ravi give it to Ethan. So that means now Ravi is giving some game cards to the Ethan. So the box of the Ravi must be smaller than before. So as you can see that I have made smaller box for Ravi and he has given few cards to the Ethan. Then Ethan will have 298 game cards more than he. So the box for the Ethan is the same as the box of Ravi, but he has extra 298 game cards. As you can see that now you have two boxes plus 298 game cards. Together they will be how much? Before that 450 game cards were with Ravi and Ethan has 322 game cards. If I have to add them, I am going to get the total game cards. If I have to add it, let's add them here. 450 and I need to add 322. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 772 game cards. They have 772 game cards. I have written here also 772 game cards. 2 boxes plus 298 is 772 game cards. I need to solve this for one box here. Let's solve this here. 2 box is equal to 772 minus of 298. Move this on other side. I need to subtract it. Let's subtract it with the same method. 772, I need to subtract 298. 2 minus 8, can you subtract it? No, right? So I need to take the carryover from here and it will be 6 here. Because this is at the tens place, you are carrying 10 basically. So it will be 10 here. 10 plus 2 is 12 here. 12 minus 8, it is 4. 6 minus 9, can you subtract it? No, I need to take the carryover from this place and it will be 6 here. Because I am taking the carryover from 100 and I am going it to the tens place, that means I have carrying 10 here. So that will be 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 474 game cards. So 2 boxes is equal to 474 game cards. So one box is equal to 474 divided by 2. If you divide it, your answer will be equal to 237 game cards. Here, my one box, this box is 237 game cards. This is the answer of one box when Ravi gave few cards to the Ethan. So how many game cards did he give? Before that, he has 450 game cards. Now he has 237 game cards. To calculate that, how many game cards did he give it to Ethan? I need to subtract it. So one box is equal to 237 game cards. We need to subtract it. Let's subtract it with the same method. 450 minus of 237. 0 minus 7, can you subtract it? No. Let's take the carry over from here. It will be 4 here and that will be 10 you are carrying. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 213 game cards. That means Ravi gave 213 game cards to the Ethan. Let's solve the same question with the CBSE method also. So Ravi has 450 game cards. Ethan has 128 fewer game cards than Ravi. That means 450 minus 128 will give you 322 game cards. Now Ravi is giving few cards to the Ethan. Let's suppose that Ravi is giving X game cards. Because Ravi is giving X game cards, that means X is subtracted from 450 and Ethan has X more than 322 game cards. So now Ravi has 450 minus of X game cards and Ethan has 322 plus of X game cards. Now I need to apply the relation here. He said that Ethan has. So how many Ethan has? Ethan has 322 plus X is equal to 298 more game cards. More means plus. So it will be plus 298 game cards than Ravi. Ravi has how much? Ravi has 450 minus of X game cards. This is the equation we can make it. I need to solve this for X. Let's solve this for X here. 322 plus X is equal to 450 minus of X plus 298. 322 plus X is equal to 450 plus 298. If you add it, your answer will be equal to 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14, 4, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. 748 minus of X. I need to move this X on other side. This will be written as 322 plus X is equal to 748. 322 plus of 2X is equal to 748. I need to move 322 on other side. So 2X will be written as 748 minus of 322. So 2X is equal to, I need to subtract it. Let's subtract it here. Minus of 322. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 426. Let's write down here 426. To get the answer for X, this should be divided by 2. 426 divided by 2. Let's divide it here. 426 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Subtract it, it will be 0 here. This 2 will come down here. 2 1s are 2. I can divide it. Subtract it 0. This 6 will come down here. 2 3s are 6. And if you subtract it, your answer is 0 here. So the X is given as 213 game cards. I am directly getting the answer here that Ravi is giving 213 game cards to the Ethan, as I suppose that Ravi is giving X game cards to the Ethan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.